Hey, good morning. You know, this morning we're going to do a fun video. We're going to take a look at my Ruger Wrangler and also my Heritage Rough Rider. Look at that beauty, huh? Now, I've done video reviews on both of these, but I've never done a video with both of them in the same video, so that's what we're going to do today. Just kind of compare them side by side, and we're going to shoot them. I'll tell you the pros and cons, the advantages, disadvantages to each one, and then we will do a lot of shooting. I'll go in my studio, take a closer look at these, but in the meantime, let's get started. Okay, let's take a quick look at the Wrangler first. I'll tell you what, really like this one. 6-shot, single action. Barrel on this is 4.6 inches. I'm just going to round it off to 4.5 inches. Now, the thing on the Wrangler, it only comes in one barrel length, 4.5 inches. And you can only fire 22 long rifle in it, so it does have a few disadvantages when compared to the Rough Rider, but we'll get more into that here in just a second. Okay, this is the Rough Rider Barkeep. The barrel length on this is about 2 3/4 inches. It does not have any and it does not have an ejector rod on it, and that's only because the barrel is too short to actually work on this. And the loading gate on this is very easy to open. And look at those grips. Really like the grips, but I'll tell you what, they wear really fast. And there's also some wear on the frame. And I haven't had either one of these revolvers very long, so kind of disappointed in the wear factor on this. Whereas the Cerakote finish on the Ruger shows absolutely no sign of any wear. So one of the advantages to the Rough Rider, the cylinder here is chambered for 22 long rifle, but you can also get a 22 Magnum cylinder, or you can actually buy it with the combo with both cylinders. So 22 Magnum, 22 long rifle. Hey, real quick, let's talk about barrel length. Now, in the Ruger Wrangler, this only comes in one barrel length, 4.6 inches. Again, I'll just round it off to 4.5. So 4.5 inches, that's all you're going to get in this for now. That may change in the future. The Rough Rider, again, this barrel here is about 2 3/4 inches. You can also get a 6-inch barrel, 9-inch. You can get these with a 16-inch barrel. And you can also get it in a carbine. Check that out. That's pretty cool, huh? So, if you want something longer or shorter than 4.5 inches, then your choice will probably be the Rough Rider. If you want to shoot 22 Magnum and 22 long rifle, then you want to look at the Rough Rider. But you know what? Right now, I'm just going to shut up and we're going to start shooting. Ooh, 5 out of 6 with that one.
Yeah, shooting a little high, but
I think I'll try the Wrangler. Yeah, nothing to it. Hey, let's cover safety real quick. Ruger uses a transfer bar system, and that's what this looks like. That transfer bar is not activated until you actually pull the trigger on their revolver. So what that simply means is you can carry this fully loaded, and if you drop it and it lands on the hammer, it should not discharge. Now, any safety feature can malfunction, but this is designed to be carried with 6 rounds, fully loaded. Heritage, that's a different story. Again, this has the safety on it. If you're going to carry this with 6 rounds in it, please engage that safety, okay? Because if you do not, if you have a round underneath the hammer and you drop this, it will discharge. And gee, guess where it's pointing? It's pointing up. It's either going to hit you in the groin, the gut, or maybe even under the chin. So please, 6 rounds, use that safety. Another way you can safely carry this is have an empty chamber underneath the hammer. So basically it would be a 5-shot revolver, but to do that, you just load 1 round, skip 1 round, load the next 4. After you put in that 4th round, cock the hammer, gently release it, and now that hammer will sit on a empty chamber and it will be safe to carry like that. So either 5 rounds or 6 rounds with the safety engaged.
Oh!
Nice shot! First shot, too.
Oh! Nice shooting.
Oh, first shot.
First shot.
Time to make it snow.
Oh!
Hit him again, son. There you go.
Yeah!
All right, you know, my son and I, we had a blast making this video. Really like both of these revolvers, but I know the question is going to be, well, which one would you pick if you could only own one? Well, I'll tell you what, it's kind of an easy decision for my son and I. Let's take a look at the Ruger. You know, basically, if you buy a Wrangler, this is what you're going to get right here. Same barrel length, probably same grips. You can get it in a different color, but basically that's about it. 22 long rifle, bam, this is it. loading gate, very hard to open. And that's because it activates the little cylinder release down here. So yeah, you shoot this a lot, you're going to get a sore thumb. So that's where we stand on the Ruger. Oh, the Heritage. I'll tell you what, really enjoyed shooting this. We found it actually a little more accurate than the Wrangler, even with the shorter barrel. Loading gate is much easier to open. It's easier to cock than the Wrangler. And another thing, Heritage makes this in at least 24 different variations. Different barrel lengths, different finishes, different grips. Of course, 22 Magnum. If you buy one of these with just a 22 cylinder, you can order a 22 Magnum cylinder from Heritage for $30, and that includes shipping. So, if I could only own one, it would be this one right here. In fact, I'm thinking about buying another one with a longer barrel just to take advantage of the increased velocity with the 22 Magnum. And if I do that, I will do another review on the Heritage revolvers. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.